I know you must have watched so many YouTube videos on how to get Canva Premium for free. So probably you must have been disappointed because most times what YouTubers put as their thumbnails are entirely different from what they say on their video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can get Canva Premium for free. And we have to understand something. I've seen so many campaigns on how you can get Canva Pro apps for free and with some certain price tags. But we have to understand that Canva Premium is not an app. It's not an app. There's nothing like a Canva app, except it is modded and somehow it expires one day. So it's Canva Premium is your Gmail joining a team to be able to access the premium version of the app. So without wasting much of your time, we are going to be going straight to my system to see how this works. So this is my system. Let's go straight to bingotingo.com. bingotingo.com. Let it load. Let's see what it has for us. Okay, now what you have to do is, this is bingotingo.com. I have to scroll down and look for how to use Canva. How to use Canva. That's it here there. So how to use Canva, click on it. How to use Canva. Now after clicking on it, you scroll down again. Let's get to Reddit. You see this free guide over here. You can see you can download in the file in 53 seconds. Now we have to wait for 53 seconds for it to download. After 53 seconds, you see something will pop up there. I'm using for the course of this tutorial, I'm using a MacBook. You can also use Windows and as well use your mobile phone, Chrome or whatever browser you have to access this file. So let's wait for it to load. You can wait for 24 seconds. 24 seconds is loading. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment of what you think on this video to help our channel grow. So let's wait 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good. Now we see download. This is download. You click on this download. Now you see this is the team available Lucas stuff. Then just click on get here. To redirect you straight to your Canva. Be it an app or a website you use, to direct you straight to your Canva. Now this is a team we've joined. I think that's 490 participants right there. So what we have to do next now is check the settings of the app. Let's go to account setting. The next one to do is go to, what's it called? That's my name right there. That's my app. This is the team I just joined. Let's go to billing and plans. As you can see, this is expiring on the 13th of August 2023. So this Canva Premium, it lasts for just a month. So what you do is repeat this same tutorial over and again to access it when it expires. You also join a new team and get to access this Canva for free again. So it's very, very, very easy. So it's not hard for you to do. Just to repeat the same method you just used just now. Go to bingotingo.com, how to use Canva, and so forth and so on. Get here and join a new team. Now these are the teams I'm currently on: Serafina, Lucas, Kavi, I joined this graphic flow this early morning. If you are lucky, you get to the maximum a team can take is 500. So most times when you try to join the team, they will tell you it's the capacity is filled already, so you have to wait for an extra hour, 30 minutes to refresh and join another team. So that's how to get Canva Premium for free. So what we want to do next is this. Let us try it. Let me show you something. Let's try to create a design. Let's try to create it. As you can see, this 500 already. The team I just joined, it's already 500. So if you are lucky, you get to access a team. It's just easy. Just refresh and refresh. Let's try to work on one design here. Okay, this design here, it's pro, so you can see. So let's open it and let me show you something to prove to you that yeah, we've got this already. So choose this template and let's wait for it to load. Voila, this is right here. So just go to resize. As you can see, resize is accessible, and everything, all premium versions of it are all accessible. So let's see how we can download this. So I'll prove to you that really you can download and do whatever you want to. Let's go to share and download. Let's download this. This is transparent. Transparent is a premium stuff, so you can click on it. Let me just click on it now so you see. As you can see, it's opened. So you have access to everything, entirely everything here on Canva. That's download. Let me see. Okay, let's open it so you can see. So that's it right there, downloading without the background. So if this has been helpful so far, so please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment of what you think, and please subscribe to my channel. Put on the notification bell also so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. Thank you and God bless you for watching.